Yeah, dear student, welcome back to the accountancy class, and today we are going to solve one comprehensive numerical. See, the balance sheet is given to you. On the liability side there are creditors, reserve and balances of the capital account of A, B and C. Clear? See, on the asset side cash is given, a stock, debtors, investment, furniture, building asset is given. Now read the following terms. The firm was dissolved on date on the following terms. For the purpose of dissolution, investment were valued at 18,000. See, in balance sheet it is of 16,000 and A took over the investment at this value. Fixed asset realized 29,700, where stock and debtor realized 80,000. Expenses of realization amounted to 1,300 and creditors allowed a discount of 800. One bill receivable for 1,500 under discount was dishonored as the acceptor had become insolvent and was unable to pay anything, hence the bill had to be met by the firm. Clear? See here, bills receivable discounted with the bank is dishonored. So what treatment is to be done, that I will let you know. So prepare realization account, partners capital account, cash account, and showing how the accounts could be or would be finally be settled amongst the partner according to the section 48 of Indian Partnership Act 1932. So if you remember, if I told you at the time the exceptional rule of the personal account, this will be applicable over here. So exceptional rule of the personal account is debit the debtor and credit the creditor. Clear? So bills of honor is discounted, so our debtors would have increased and we have to make immediately payments to the bank. So what will be our entry? Debtor account debit to bank account. Clear? Our debtors has been increased and bank is credited because bill of honor is discounted, so is dishonored, so we have to immediately make payment to the bank. Now see, debtors has been given in the numerical is 62,600. Clear? So here debtors will increase by 1,500. So in your balance sheet you will take, see here, debtors are given for 62,600. 1,500 would be included in that. Clear? In this way, this adjustment is to be done. Rest all the things will remain same. Now I am going to make realization account and other things. See here, we are supposed to write all assets individually over here. So first you have to write to sundry assets. What assets has been given to you? Stock, debtors. See, debtors 62,600 plus 1,500. So that comes to 64,100. Investment 16,000, furniture 6,500, building 23,500. Total of the sundry asset is 130, 200. Now here liabilities, what we have for liabilities is just creditors. So by creditors 5400. Clear? Now come to the adjustment. A has taken over the investment at this date value, so by A's capital account. Now assets are going to be realized individually by bank account. Fixed assets 29,700. Stock and debtors realize 80,000. Clear? Now we are going to make the payment of liabilities on the debit side. So to bank account, what you have paid, expenses, expenses 1300, creditors 49,600, so all of the treatment has been done. Now we are supposed to make the total. So total of this side is 181,100 and here there is a loss of 3,000, so that will be transferred by loss transfer. A, B and C. As no ratio is given, so we are going to distribute it the loss equally. Total is 1,81,100. Clear? So our realization account has been prepared. Now we are going to make partners capital account and cash account. So the format of the partner capital account is prepared. Now we are going to transfer the things. So first of all, we are going to write down the balances of capital account. So by balance BD, balance of capital is A 30,000, B 25,000, and C is 15,000. Clear? Now result is distributed equally by result. As no ratio is given, so we are going to divide it equally. A has taken the investment, so that will come to the debit of realization, partner's capital account. 18,000. There is a loss also, so that will also come. 1,000. 1,000. 1,000. As no other thing has been there, so we are going to make the total 34,000, 29,000 and 19,000. Clear? Subtract it from the debit side and make a final payment to the partners. As the bank is not given, so we are going to write cash account, but generally the resolution is done with the bank only. So 15,000, 28,000 and 18,000. Your partner capital account is over. Now we are going to prepare the cash account. So the opening balance given of the cash is 3,700. So write it over here to balance DD 3,700. Now the cash realized from sale of asset. So to realization account. How much cash has been received by you? One lakh 9,700. Clear? Now we are going to make the payment. So we have paid to the creditors and realization expenses. So that comes to 50,900. And remember, you have also made payment to the discounted bills receivable which has been dishonored. So that will also come here by bank account 1,500. Clear? Now you are going to make final payment to the partner by A's capital account, by B's capital account, and by C's capital account. How much you are making payment to the A's? 15,000, B 28,000 and C is 18,000. Okay. Now make a total. The payment to the partner will come on the credit side. So the total coming is 007740 93 12 38 1,13,400. See it here. This is also coming over here. Yes, 130. Clear? In this way the comprehensive numerical is solved. I hope this thing will be clear to you. Solve more and more numerical to have the clearance of the concept, because in every new numerical you are going to encounter something new or new adjustment which has been not come till now. Okay, and try to remember this thing also. These type of comprehensive numerical would be get solved within 15 to 20 minutes. If you are taking more time than that, then have a stopwatch at your home and do practice at home accordingly. Clear? It's very necessary to have a command over the accountancy, otherwise you will not be able to finish the numerical or your question paper doubt early. It would be very sadful for you, because when you would be knowing the solution of the numericals but would not having the time to solve it. So I hope you have understood the things clearly. Solve more and more numericals. Thank you. Happy learning.